Revenue optimization redesign doesn't start with better recommendations. It starts with changing what a system is optimizing for. Most product discovery systems optimize proxy signals, clicks, dwell time, add to cart. That's easy to measure. It's immediate and clean. Revenue optimization redesign means moving from interaction metrics to economic metrics. Not did they click, but did this increase contribution margin? Not did engagement rise, but did inventory risk fall? Not did conversion tick up, but did long-term customer value improve? That's a different objective. And research backs this up. In reinforcement learning literature, especially contextual bandit frameworks used in recommendation systems, the reward function determines behavior. Systems optimize whatever you define as reward. If the reward is click-through rate, the system learns to maximize clicks. If the reward integrates margin, return rates, or inventory pressure, the behavior changes. A key paper in the space, Value-Aware Recommendation Based on Reinforcement Profit Maximization, shows exactly this shift in action. It reveals that reinforcement learning directly maximizes profit instead of proxy clicks, boosting long-term revenue. The model isn't the problem. The reward is. Revenue redesign requires 3 structural changes. First, economic signals must feed the loop. Margin, inventory position, customer lifetime value, not just behavioral interaction. Second, trust must be modeled, not assumed. Personalization that erodes perceived value eventually degrades purchase intent. Engagement can rise while trust falls. Third, discovery must connect to operations, inventory data, fulfillment constraints, return probabilities, promotion timing. If the system doesn't see these, it can't optimize around them. Most teams never make this shift for one reason. It crosses organizational boundaries. Marketing owns engagement, data science owns modeling, ops owns inventory, finance owns margin. Revenue optimization redesign forces those objectives into one optimization loop. That's hard. It's also political and highly technical, and it requires redefining success. But that's the difference between systems that optimize engagement and those that compound revenue. If you want to see how to structure that loop, including how to define the reward signals and integrate operational constraints, I've broken that down step by step in the implementation toolkit link that follows.